Alright, so I'm at the park. Someone just asked me recently how to adjust your straps the best way, and like, I don't know really how to explain it, but I'll real quickly go down how I do it. You want a wedge shape. See how this part right here is bigger than this part right here? You want it to snugly fit your foot. So one of the most important things is where your foot placement actually is on the pedal. And for me, I just put my foot right where it's supposed to be. You know, I'll undo the whole strap like this. I'll undo the strap into its constituent pieces like this. And put my foot right here in the middle, you know? And then I'll fold this down and tuck it down as tight as I can. And then I push the straps. Well, let's see if I can do this with no hands. I do have a tripod in my backpack, but I ain't gonna use it. Okay, so now here's another part. You wanna loosen this up so that when you tighten it down, it pulls the tightness. So you hold it about there, and then you push these down as deep as you can and pull this tight. And now this one's gonna be a little bit looser than that one, you know? So they'll line up like that. You should have your foot in there to make sure it's fitting correctly. And then when you put your foot in, you can slide this down and tighten it a bit more. And that's just pretty much it. So, you know, I'm gonna keep riding to the studio, gonna work on some videos. I'll see you guys later. Catch you next time. Adios.
Bruh. Bruh.